Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to inject vitamin D at home. Clean your workspace with disinfectant and assemble supplies: vial, syringe, alcohol swabs, and a sharps container. Wash your hands thoroughly, confirm the prescribed dose in IU, and inspect the vial for particles or discoloration. If anything looks wrong, do not inject and consult a provider. Keep pets and children away while you prepare and store supplies safely. Gather gloves, a clean surface, and good lighting before you begin preparation. Open a new syringe and needle and wipe the vial top with an alcohol swab for 30 seconds. Inject an equal amount of air into the vial to ease withdrawal, then invert and draw the precise IU dose while avoiding bubbles. Double-check the quantity against your prescription and recap the needle carefully if you must set it down for a moment. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for organizing syringes, swabs, and vials to prevent spills and keep everything sanitary, and they stack neatly in a first aid kit, which is great for home use. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position yourself comfortably and expose the injection area while maintaining modesty and cleanliness. For intramuscular injections, choose the mid-anterior thigh or upper outer gluteal region and insert at a 90-degree angle unless otherwise directed. Inject the vitamin D slowly, then withdraw the needle in a single motion and press a swab over the site for a minute. Dispose of the used needle in a sharps container and document the dose and time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.